Well, welcome back to Brad's Projects. What I'm going to work on today is a 3-point trailer mover, and I know you can buy these off of Amazon, eBay, your local hardware store, tractor supply store, anywhere like that, but I just want to try to make something out of some scrap I have. I have an old tractor drawbar that I never use, and I had a bolt-on ATV hitch that I don't use, and then I've wound up with a couple small pieces of scrap angle iron. And we're going to make one. It won't be as fancy as what you see at the hardware store. I already cut my angle iron to size off camera before I started. Now I'm drilling the holes for the 3-point top link pin. I've got an idea for that. And these step drill bits are awesome. I just bought that one before I did my last project. And rather than using a 3-point pin, I had some scrap. I'm going to put a bolt in here. I've got a bushing for 3-point, category 1. And then I'm just going to put a bolt on it and weld it in like that. It's cheap and it works, and it'll be just fine. Okay, got it all cleaned up. I'll drag my welder out. We'll get started. I ground around where that is bolted in to that drawbar. I'm actually going to put a little tack weld on there just to practice and to hold it in a little bit better. I don't ever intend on taking it apart. I'm going to start by running a bead around the hitch around here. Again, I'm not going to show you close-ups of my weld because I'm still a beginning welder, so don't make fun of me. Be gentle. Once they're tacked, I'll weld them up. Okay, now I gotta find a longer bolt to go in. Got a 3-inch. Okay, found a different bolt, longer bolt, got it put in, ready, gonna weld up to that on each side. And then do some final tack welds. This will be good to go. Put the nails on the outside over here. All right, proof of concept time. Well, it fits just fine. It's not real pretty, but it's functional. I'll clean it up, throw a little paint on it, and call it done.